So I'm just going to put it in a few minutes and then take you guys away. You can see the hatchet actually fell out. It's an old carpenter's hatchet. I took off the handle, put it back on. And
that's going in good.
It's going to be the end soon. Daddy, I'm planning to make this video as long until the end of this thing we're doing.
Alright.
Got staff on my hand.
Miles, what am I filming?
What?
What am I filming? Go.
Me splitting this lock.
Okay, we'll go. Let me see you split it. Okay.
You just ruined my thing.
You want me to tell you what was wrong?
What?
You didn't use any control. You just hit it like you were trying to kill it. That's not control. Let me show you.